Friends, do you know that after watching this video, you might not need to see a travel agent or an immigration lawyer anymore? As in this video, you'll be learning the secret of how to relocate to Finland in a couple of days. And in case you don't know, I've done a video of how you can actually use the certified sponsored list to relocate to Finland. Please go check it out after watching this video. Friends, Finland is one of the safest countries you can ever think of to relocate to in this world, as she is ranked as tops in terms of education and healthcare. And as a student in Finland, there are a lot of prospects for you to succeed. And if you are able to get a job in Finland, your dependent, your family, can go with you, and your spouse will have an open work permit. That means they can work in any sector of the economy. And because Finland is part of Europe and Schengen region, you will be able to travel over 26 countries visa-free, like Luxembourg, Germany, Netherlands, and a host lot of others. So friends, to get a job, you will need a striking CV and a cover letter. Make sure you read each job description and tailor your CV to suit the job requirement, and apply for at least 30 to 40 jobs daily. By so doing, with your due diligence, within 2 months, you'll be among those who will be celebrating this new year in a grand style. And if you are watching this video late, it is probably because you have ignored turning or switching on your post notification bell. Kindly switch on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video, because you don't want to be applying for jobs when the opportunity is already closed. That is why you always receive informations or emails like, unfortunately, we have moved on. So without wasting time, come with me. Let me show you how to go about it. Show you something. Now, as you can see, this is infofinland.fi, and it's a beautiful site. You scroll down, you will see different links that you can use. You can read them on your own if you want to know about tax card, vocational labor market training, and the rest of it. But we're interested in find a job in Finland. That's why you're watching this video. So there are many ways to go about it, but let me take you through the step-by-step process. I promise you, if you skip this video, you are going to regret it because you will miss a lot. Now, the first thing you can see, it says applying for a job in Finland. So you can look at all these links. Let me show you. This is link 1, says applying for a job in Finland, open jobs in Finland, how to search for work, other employment options, job search services. You can check them. I'll leave this link in the description box. Make sure you click each of them and check them. Let me click the first one, applying for job in Finland. So we are here now. It says you can apply for jobs in Finland from where? Abroad, or in some situation after arriving in Finland. Please note that your right to work and your possible need for a resident permit depends on your nationality and on the country for which you are moving to Finland. It means that how quick you are to get your visa approved depends on your nationality, your country of residence. Are you getting it, guys? Now, it says find out in advance whether you can find work in your field in Finland and what kind of certificate you need for the Finnish labor market. Finnish law states that you need a specific education, qualification, or right to practice some professions such as teacher, practical nurse, or doctor. You should apply for the recognition of professional qualification or degree before applying for a job. So if you're a teacher, you want to work in Finland, go and get a professional qualification. If you are a doctor or a nurse, you need a professional qualification. But for others, like handyman, like bricklayer, welder, you don't need that. All you need is your certificate, what we call your labor market certificate, so that you can be able, or what they call a trade certificate, so that you're able to get this your visa process through with that certificate to show that you learned that skill. All right. Now let's read forward. It says open jobs in Finland. You can find information about open jobs opportunity on social media platforms and other online resources through municipal employment services such as this. It says to find, listen carefully to this. It says to find a job website, write have you met, this is quite strange, Tapiocat in Finnish or vacancies in English in the search engine. But don't worry, don't mind the big grammar. Let me show you what you do. So when you come, you copy that big grammar, copy it and go to your Google and just click on Google. When it comes to Google, you paste it, Ctrl V. Then you see if I'm feeling lucky, click it, and it will take you straight to the site. Are you getting it, guys? So you can right click if it comes in another language. Now what you can see, say you can find all open position on job market Finland. Please apply for jobs here. So you click on the link, this yellow link, and it will take you to the employment site. Are you getting it, guys? Now when you come here, you can still right click to put it in English if you want. All right, it says a meeting place for works and workers. Are you getting it? So if you are looking for anything, you can just read through, get familiarized with this site, and then just go to the search bar. This is where we are here, how to find job. Let's assume I'm a welder. I'll just type welder. After typing welder, I'll just click search. If there's a job for welder, it's going to come out and I will apply ASAP with my CV. Guys, this is how people are relocating every day, okay? So let's wait for it to load. So you can see these are all the welding jobs that came forth. As you can see, it says vacancies, and this is welder. Are you seeing it, guys? It says your current search, and there are 300 jobs for welder, as you can see, guys. So whichever one you are interested in, this is whether for shipyard welder, TIG welder, experience MIG mag welder, Finland mag 13611 welder fitter. So all these are welding jobs in Finland. So these are with visa sponsorship, because they said you can get jobs from here, from overseas. So if you know anyone who is a welder, just tell them to come and apply. So let's assume I'm interested in this one. Published 13th 1st 2025. That was 13th day of January. So I can click it, and as you can see, it has taken me to the page. Are you seeing it, guys? Application period ends 31st. That's the last day of this month. So when you come here, you see apply button, but before you apply, read about it. So this is language, then you just click on apply when you are ready. Are you getting it, guys? You click on apply and you follow the process. It's very simple. So this is where you now put your name, everything, email, upload your resume, which is a CV, additional files, cover letter. Once you're done, click on this checkbox and submit your application. Now let's go back to that site. It says you can find information on the Finnish labor market and vacancy, for example, on the website Job Market Finland. You can see it. And that's the site we are right now. We just use the site, and work in Finland as well as the US. These are 3 sites: work in Finland, US, and Europasi portals. So these are 3 sites they are telling you that you can use to navigate your way. So let's check them out. The first one is work in Finland. So this is it says work in Finland. Remember, they say you can get job here. So any job you are looking for, just type it here and search. So these are the category: work in Finland. As you can see, it says technology. We have technology, we have engineering, we have academics, healthcare, sales and marketing, administration, finance, human resource, manufacturing, project management. And this company and these jobs, we have technology 145, engineering 147. So the number of job available is at the front. So if you want to go through the search bar, you can type maybe teacher, or let's assume project management or project manager. So you just click on search. As you can see, it says 172 openings job. So you click on anyone you want and just apply. As you can see, guys, these are jobs for project manager. So anyone, let's assume you're a cleaner. Let's see if there's cleaning job. Cleaner. Let's see if there's a cleaner. It says, look at it, it says there are 28 open jobs right now. Home cleaner, hotel apartment, and gas trading jobs, summer jobs. So this is a mixture: cleaner for car petrol, so caretaker loans. So all these are jobs. You can see the numbers. You can just search and look for the one you are interested in. So now let's look at one last job, maybe a welder. I like using welding because most of my friends that got their visa quickly within 2 weeks are welder, and they are already in Finland as we speak. So look at welder, you have several open jobs right now. So you can see, you look for the one you're interested and you click on it. If it's this one, you click on it and it will take you, as you can see, it took us to job markets, which is same site that they recommended for us. So this is where you come, you apply. Say we are looking for TIG welder for our client at the Toko Mia shipyard. So click on apply. So you put your email, all the information you need, just put it there. Are you getting that? You can translate it and you can see, put your first name, surname, address, post office, email, mobile phone, date of birth, languages you speak, education, everything. You fill it properly. Don't be nice. And when you are done, you click on accept and approach. Approach means submit. And that is all. Now, guys, let me show you the other side that they made mention in this link, because they said a lot. They made mention of US. So let's look at US. Go to Google and just type US and click on I'm feeling lucky. It will take you straight to the page. Now when you come here, you click on this part, job seekers find a job. All right, and now that you're here, you see we have over 2 million jobs for you. So you can click here to choose the country. Since it's Finland, we're interested in, look for Finnish job and just apply. Finland is F, so it's in front. You can see it has 6,257 jobs. Not much, but it's okay. So you put anything you are looking for. If it's cleaner, you put anything you are looking for. Anything you're looking for. As you can see, we have 291 jobs for cleaners in Finland. You can right click to translate. This is how to find jobs, okay? These are cleaning job, home cleaner, and the rest of it. So any job you are looking for, you just put it there. Welder, any job, guys, any job. If it's there, it will come out. As you can see, welding job is much in Finland. They need welders a lot. You see, this is the number. You find out that most people that are relocated, they don't have 2 heads at all. So just click it and apply. Now let's go back to the other side. It says Europassi Portal. Europassi Portal. We don't know what this is. Let's go and check it out. So you put it on Google and just paste it, and I'm feeling lucky will take you to the site. Are you seeing, guys? This is the Europassi website. On this website, this is where you can create your CV. For those of you who do not have a CV, create it here. Else, it will look as if you are putting water in basket when you use your CV to apply. It will not hold water. If you cannot create your CV, you can pay me a little token and I'll do it for you, and I'll also do one extra for you. So please use this to create your CV. So you can create your Europass. So you click here. You can also create your cover letter there as well. Let me show you how to create your CV. So this is create your CV. Start from your profile, start from your Europass CV. That's if you have one already, or you create from scratch. So you click on create new CV. When it opens, it has 4 steps to go. So you put the language you want the CV to come in, date format, you can attach your, make sure you attach your picture. Then you put your name, last name, about me, which is your professional summary. You put it there. Make sure you remove these ones that are there. And just put your professional summary, date of birth, nationality, contact. Now, this is where it becomes very dicey for some people. When they come here, they just save and they don't know what to do. So when you save it, you click on next and it will take you to the next page, okay? When you click on next, you'll see another page that will take you through your work experience and all that. Am I making sense? So I cannot do it until I fill the form, and I don't want this video to be too long. So do it by yourself and you testify, guys. love this video and you love what we're doing on Teach Clockwise TV, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys and God loves you best. Oshe.